What's up guys, this is Animatone from Animat Web Services. In the recent tutorial I gave the tutorial on how to install Wampserver. On this one I promised that I was going to do the Joomla installation. So you just type download Joomla, whatever version you want, in your search bar, then locate your joomla.org, the link, then hit it, and as it opens, locate your download. There we go, we have it. Download Joomla 3.8 full package. Then there we go, the installation is going to begin right away as soon as you hit the start button. I already have my download. It's located right here. It's a compressed file. I extracted it, then I copied it and pasted it in the Wampserver drive, the drive with the Wamp folder. Last time I installed on drive E. To some others who were already installed it on drive C, it will be still in the drive C Wamp folder. Just locate your Wamp folder, then www folder, wherever it is, whether drive C or drive E. Locate Wamp, www, then extract your Joomla file folder in this www folder. To make it easier for you, you need to rename the folder with the extraction. So I'll just rename mine website 1, and I am done. So now I need to launch my Wampserver. In my search bar, just type Wamp, then double click it, and at the bottom, running. It's now setting up. As soon as that's done, I am going to type localhost. As soon as that set, I'm sure it's now done. Okay, now running. It's now going. So I'll type localhost, then I'll insert the name of the folder that's in the www folder, this name of this folder. So to be precise, I'll just copy it, then paste, then hit the go button. And mind you, I'm offline. Okay, there we have it. So now the site name, I'll just paste website 1. Okay, I'll just need to insert an email address that's valid. Okay, then description of the website. So I'm just gonna say all about Apple, iPhone applications. Maybe it's just a blog about the applications on iPhones or whatever it is in the case. Administrator username, I'll just type in admin, the default, and the password I'll just type in admin as default. Admin again, password. Site, is it offline? Yes, offline. Then we go next. Then this is the section for the database creation. So now we open another tab, then type localhost, then type phpMyAdmin, or you can just locate your drop down button, left click your Wamp, then hit phpMyAdmin, and it will open another browser. So it's just the same as just typing it. So once you type it, then as it launches, okay, so then you type in your username. So in my case, I'll just type in root, then password I'll just leave it blank, that's the default. Then I'll just hit go. My bad, root, then password is empty. By default it comes as empty, the password for the root. Then you go to new database on the left panel here, then type in the database you want. Then let's just paste in the website 1 as the database name, then just hit create. If you wanna delete your database, if you wanna if you wanna delete a database, you tick it, then you click drop, then to delete the database. So far we're good. We now have a database. You name your database anyhow you want it. Then username, I will use the username for the login to access this database. I used root at that time and it did not have any password, so I'm going to use root again. You can change a user, or you can add another user for future cases. You go to user accounts, then add new user. I'll just go for an example. I'll just say admin. Then password, I'll just let me not generate. I'll just type in admin1 and type in admin1 again. Then I'll just privileges, I'll just check all, and I will then hit my go. Then there we go, your new user has been added. So now if I go to my user accounts, if I click the user, now I have admin, the one that I just created just now. Okay, I did not specify that it's supposed to be localhost, so I'll just go to edit privileges in this section. Oh wait, no, not edit privileges. Okay, let me drop this. Let me create a new user. Oh wait, let's just okay, I now remove that. I now remove the user. I remember I made a mistake. I did not specify the host name, so it's again admin, admin, then host here to be local host, always remember that. Then password to be admin1, retype admin1. Then privileges, just check all, grant all privileges. Okay, then go. There we have it, localhost update. So updating, then click on the user accounts, then there we have it, admin is now set. So now at this section I'll just enter admin and the password that I used for that, and now the database which I had made that time, table prefix, just leave it as it is. Backup, or you can select remove, it's all up to you. There, now we're on the third stage. Okay, and store sample data, none. If you're a beginner, you could use with some of these blog, English, brochure, or some of the basic sample data that comes in. But if you're a pro, you can just click none, or if you're good with what you do, just click none. So I'm just gonna click sample for the blog. Then here the main configuration details, all that you need to know, all the details about the database, pre-installation, all the settings that you need to know before you head on to installing. And now it starts installing. That's good to take maybe a few minutes, so I'll just pause, then come back as it when it's okay. So the installation is now done. I think it took something like about 2 to 3 minutes, so don't worry when you get there and get stuck. Now the next step is, please remember to completely remove the installation folder. So this is for security reasons, so you need to remove the folder. So remove folder and just let it remove it on its own. Then hit administrator. Then you log in into your website. Okay, so here we're gonna type in the Joomla username, admin. So as you put the admin as username, and admin is the password that we admin1 is the password that we had set at that time, and I won't remember this because I'm gonna check it out. Okay, so there we go, our website is up, the Joomla setup is done. just close down these tabs. So now this is the first appearance of your Joomla website. We have website. So if you want to check out your website, you click on this site, then you'll view your website on the home page. Okay, site under maintenance. So let me publish it online, since it's previewed as offline. Remember, in the installation that time we let it display, we let it publish as oops, that's a mistake. Okay, so from these you can go to your templates and you can check out the templates that's being used. This is the default, I'm sure. Global configurations, let's check them out. So basically this is your control panel, where all the items you need. Set your site offline, nope. Then you just hit the save button, then you reload your home page, then I'm sure it will be fired up and running. There we go. Website 1. So this is your template website. Website 1, about. So remember, when we added that sample, the sample package of the blog, this is what comes with the item, images and some text already prepared. So anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed the tutorial and hopefully it helped much. Just in case if you're having troubles with any login information, come to your website table database, and once it loads, this is where all the information is stored. So you can go down, users, and wait for it to load. Then there you have it. Admin is your username, and that's your encrypted password, and that's your email. And mainly the database is where all your stuff is stored, and history. So till we meet again next time, take care and enjoy the rest of your viewing. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and follow my channel, or subscribe my channel, and always check out my website, admatwebservices.co.zw. Have a good day.